Hey traders, I just want to bring your attention to dollar Swiss on the daily time frame. We have tested a very significant level here with dollar Swiss, and I think that if we do get the close of today as a bearish pin bar reversal, we could have a wonderful opportunity to sell the rally in this prevailing downward trend here. As you can see, ever since 2016, we've been making lower highs and lower lows. And what is interesting here about the most recent dare I say, rally from mid-February to the present is that we have just hit the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. Now that is quite significant. We've high tested off that, but what is even more significant is the fact that we've got a confluence of ABCD completion patterns coming into this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. If we take point A, B, C, D, we can see that if we drag point B to point A, we've got the rejection of the 1.272, which is all very well and good. It adds to the kind of argument, if you like, the harmonic argument for a sell here. So we've got a cluster already. Not only is today's daily bar rejecting the 0.618 retracement from this swing high last seen in 2017, but it's also rejecting 1.272 extension from the most recent ABCD pattern, which is again significant. The more clues we have in favor of our trade, the better. The bearish pin bar reversal, if we get the close later on tonight at about 10 p.m. London time, then that will be a great confirmation for a potential sell. And if we do get that close on the daily time frame, and that is essentially defined a bearish pin bar reversal with the open and close in the bottom third or half of the bar. We've got the iconic tail at the moment, and I know that we are approaching halfway through the afternoon. It might not close as a bearish pin bar reversal, but if it does close as a bearish pin bar reversal, i.e. in this form or something similar, providing the close is in the bottom half or third of the bar, then fantastic. What we'll do is we'll trade the break of the low with our stop loss above the high and trade this as a potential well, long term, dare I say, looking at the overall chart here. Hopefully it will be a long-term sell, but what we'll have to do is just sit and find out after we've placed the trade. What is interesting about this one as well is the fact that we've got bearish reversal divergence here. As you can see, price from early April, the 5th of April, to mid-April, the 19th, has been making higher highs and higher lows, whereas if we look at the RSI setting 6, we can see that we'll be making lower highs. So that points to us slow in momentum with the bulls. Okay, so we are looking at this one very closely for the said reasons. We've got the rejection of 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. We've also got the completion of an ABCD pattern, and when we get point D and we have a bearish pin bar reversal, if it's point D and we're looking to sell, then that's a very powerful kind of confluence really. And let me just draw this ABCD pattern so that it's clearer for you. There we go. So we've got this kind of thunderbolt in with this overall trend here. What is more as well is it's just overshot the 1.272 with this bigger ABCD pattern, but that's absolutely fine. We've got enough in favor of this as it goes. We've got an ABCD pattern here which lines up near enough perfectly, and we've got this kind of slightly more jagged one here longer term. Okay, so that is dollar Swiss on the daily time frame. Happy trading, folks.